you also got to keep in mind there's bad judges too. So a client will say something that, oh, what about, this, and this? I go, that's inadmissible. Like clearly inadmissible. Like no chance. That is improper character evidence. It's irrelevant. It means nothing. Next thing you know, in a bench trial, you object, improper character evidence, overruled. And all of a sudden, you've got this entire side story in a case that you're not prepared for. If it's a civil case, you maybe didn't do depositions on because you deemed those witnesses irrelevant. But because a judge made a bad decision, now you're caught off guard. Now, you can't prepare for everything. That would be, you don't have unlimited funds. But if it is something attractive that the other side would want to do to defame your client and make them look bad, well, maybe you should have a couple-page pocket memo. So objection, overruled. Well, Your Honor, can you reconsider? I briefed this.
And a well-respected local judge did a lunch CLE for the local bar, and I attended that, and he was talking about exhibits and trials, and he says in his last, I think he's been on the bench maybe 15 years or so, he's seen maybe 2 pocket memos, and it was surprising to me. I also went to another CLE with a lunch CLE with the family law judge and a couple attorneys that are well respected in town, and I was surprised at how unprepared they were for cases and collecting their evidence and documents and organizing them, being ready.
Yeah, so what's the cause of that? There's a couple causes to attorneys being ill-prepared. One, and the most understanding of all, it wasn't in the budget for the client.
Yes.
So the option is you go to trial pro se on your own, or you have me at your side without having invested a lot of time and money into requests for production and depositions, and that's probably better than going alone, unless it's a bad lawyer that's going to cause more harm than good.
Yes.
Right? And then you have people with bad systems. They are good lawyers with bad systems. Because they're good lawyers, they're unintentionally not tending to a case because other fires came up that they didn't prepare for because they didn't have a task management system, a project management system. Like when I talk to clients that have like software engineering experience or project management experience for construction, like they understand systems, and they would be just terrified to walk into a law firm of the chaos of how they calendar things to do, jobs to be done, tasks, to-dos. That's an important thing that's overlooked. But how do you even vet for that as a client? Like, how do you go into a law firm and be like, do you have the proper systems in place to make sure that all the work that needs to be done is prioritized and the choices are made and it's budgeted correctly and we're maximizing efficiency? Like, I think the proof is in the pudding. I guess you look at reviews and you listen to them, but how easy would it be to shine on a client that you're really good at your job and then it just falls into the pit of not being worked on? I mean, not that the work that is done is competent, but not enough work has been done. I think that's the rub.